In today's video, I'll teach you how to copy and paste text on Android. So if you want to copy and paste the text, first of all go to the destination from where you would like to copy. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply long press on the text that you would like to copy. Now select the text according to your choice. Now what you have to do is tap on this option copy that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text has been copied, but sometimes the particular destination might not allow you to copy the text. So in that case, what you have to do is simply take the screenshot. For that, press on the power button and volume down button at once. Now after you do that, you can see over here the screenshot will be taken. Now go to photos. Make sure you open the Google Photos, tap on the screenshot that you just took. Now after you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option Google Lens. Now wait for a while and Google Lens will be opened. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the text. What you have to do is long press on the text that you would like to copy. Likewise, simply select the text and tap on this option copy. So like this too, you'll be able to copy. Now in order to paste it, what you have to do is go to the destination where you want to paste the text. For me, I'm just going to go to notes. Now over here, long press on the screen. Now tap on this option paste that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text has been pasted, or you can also paste it directly from the clipboard. For that, tap on the clipboard icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the text that you just copied earlier. Now you can see over here it will be pasted. So like this you'll be able to copy and paste the text. So that is how you copy and paste text on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.